Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be about the EX. If you guys didn't know I had an EX, shame on you guys. I've shown this car a couple times on the channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Vic and I have a 2008 Honda Civic Si, which I'm currently modifying. In today's video, we will be installing some seat covers for the EX. Cloth seats get kind of beat up over time, and especially if you have dogs, kids, like spilling stuff. So this is gonna prolong the life of the interior. But before we start, I wanna show you guys, I did pick up a couple things for the SI. So yes, guys, I ordered a couple of these parts. They just got in. Backing plate for the front emblem. We have the push clip here. And then for the wing, if you guys had watched my wing installation video, I did not get all of the screws. So these are the part numbers for the screws that goes on the actual wing stand. I'm gonna try to see if I can install this today. If not, we'll just do this and then we're gonna get on to this box right here, which is the seat covers. All right guys, so this is the plate I was talking about. So you're gonna have to take this out. I believe it's a Phillips head screwdriver. You guys can see I am missing a bolt there. All right. Yo, Mr. Dave Easy, man, when are you gonna come get this thing, bro? Let me know, bro, let me know. All right guys, let's go ahead and see what's in the box. So we have the Coverado Automotive Supplies seat covers for the EX, and they reached out to me and said, hey, would you like to try our seat covers? And I was like, yeah, why not? I have my own discount code, guys. So if you guys would like to purchase something like this for your car, all of the stuff will be in the description. I'll go ahead and display it on top of the screen for you guys so you guys can get a discount when ordering. So I believe they have a couple colors: tan, gray, black. I just went with the black because interior is black. Like I said, I really wanted to do this to maintain the integrity of the inside seats, because I don't know if I'm gonna be keeping the EX, so I want to maintain it. Looks like we have some installation information. We don't need that. Nah, I'm just kidding. I might actually need this. Here are the seat covers. Feeling the material, it's definitely got like a soft plush feel to it. Inside, it's kind of got like that tough material. So we're gonna go ahead and take all this out and just unbox it with you guys. I believe this is what seems to be hardware that you clip onto, I believe. And I think these might be the rear seats. Yeah, these are the rear seats. Wow. They were able to fit all of this in this little bag. If you want to take them off and just put them in the trunk, you guys can do that. And then whenever you're ready to put them back on, I guess it's just an easy install. So, well, I shouldn't say that. Let's wait until we start installing these. But all right, guys, so this is the 2013 Honda Civic EX. And like I said, it has black interior. These seats can take a beating, man. So, especially when you have kids. I have a 5-year-old, so trying to maintain the cleanliness of something it's a challenge, but I think I got it easy with my son, because my son, he listens. He knows, like, hey, he knows, like, listen, I know what I gotta do. I know. He knows everything. I'm thinking I might want to get the car washed first before I attempt to do anything, just because it's kind of dirty in here. So I kind of want to go and vacuum it. Alright guys, so I got the interior somewhat clean. It was definitely a lot better than it was before. Sorry, I was gonna do it at my apartment complex, but I just found a wide open space here. Here in Arizona, there's so many wide open spaces. That's the thing, man, your boy needs a house so we can start working on it in the garage and in the driveway. But for right now, because it's Easter and everybody and their mom is visiting, we have minimal space. Alright, so you're supposed to put those 3 pieces underneath like so, and then for these pieces I believe it's a hook. So I got 1 seat installed, but it looks really good compared to stock. So this is stock and this is with the seat cover. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all of the other ones and then I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts. So everything is pretty much installed. I do have front and rear seats installed and came out pretty good actually. The fitment it's a little iffy in some places, but obviously if you're trying to protect your seats from, like, you know, if you got dogs or kids or anything like that, it will do a really good job. So yeah, like the bunching up over here and like some of the stuff here, but I mean, aside from that, it fits pretty good. Alright guys, so that is gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the install. I know it wasn't much of an installation process, but it does come with detailed instructions. You guys can refer to those. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Do you think this product is worth it? It just makes sense, especially if you're leasing a vehicle or, you know, if you're borrowing a vehicle. It definitely makes sense to prolong the life of your seats. Thank you guys again for checking into another video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions in regards to these seat covers, you guys can message me down in the comment section below or DM me at Vicwavy on Instagram. Coupon code is in the description so you guys can get a nice discount. Thank you again, Coverado, for sponsoring this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.